Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sisi for Sisi CCTV Food. CCTV Food. And I'm going to teach you how to make these gorgeous, infamous halal sausage rolls. You can make these with, if you're not halal, you can make them with pork. If you're vegetarian, you can make them with vegetarian sausages. The world is your oyster, hun. Greg's, eat your heart out. Honestly, you're going to love these. They're so simple. They take 10-15 minutes in the oven. 10 minutes to prepare, super easy. And also I made a bonus, random little bonus one. I'll be showing you how to make that as well, so stay tuned. If you like this channel, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, comment in the section below, let me know what you thought, and stay tuned for Ramadan Diary, Ramadan Diary 101, it's a Ramadan Diary 101, Ramadan Diary 1, it's a Ramadan Diary, yum. Okay, I'm off to eat. Mwah. Ciao guys, love you. Mwah. Today was an amazing day. Excuse the mess in the background, and I'm going to talk super fast because I'm losing light. Right, so today was an amazing day. It was Meghan and Prince Harry's wedding, which was just beautiful. And what is more amazing is that it's Ramadan at the moment, so I'm fasting, so I'm going to give you Ramadan Diary 101 and give you some great recipes to do that are quick and easy. Very British sausage rolls. These are halal. They're amazing. My friends love them, and also what's great about it, you can make a batch, freeze them and take them out as you need them. So let's start. This here is my puff pastry, which was already rolled. I bought it from Asda. I usually get the just roll one, but they didn't have it. And in this bowl, I have one egg, which I'm gonna beat and put a little bit of water in it. That'll be my egg wash. And in here, I have my melted butter. Here, I have Tahira Frankfurters. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut them at a slant into 3. So one will make 3. As you can see, I'm gonna get my trusty rolled out piece, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure. One of these will be in there like that, so I'm going to just cut down about 2 inches. With Ramadan at the moment, I wasn't hungry, haven't been too hungry until now actually. It's always like the last minute, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle that in there, grab one of these, put it in one of these squares. So the ones that I cooked I'll take upstairs as a nice little surprise. And give my sister a bag of these, like a bag of 10, so she can take them home and have them when she wants, and give my mum some as well. A quick little vegetarian one for you. It come out nice. I mean, it looks like some sort of pizza. I can't see. What I can't see is the pastry. I can see a little bit of the pastry there. It was over ambitious, but that looks yummy. Look at that, yum, yum, yum. Absolutely yummy. So that will be my little Ramadan gift. Do separate them. As you can see, look at that. Oh, they're just fluffy, light, golden all the way through, with a lovely crisp sausage inside. I mean, you can't get better than this. So, my Ramadan Diary 101 CCTV food is these gorgeous sausage rolls, halal sausage rolls, that you can make anytime. They literally take you 15 minutes in the oven, 5 minutes preparing, and away we go. They smell delicious. I've still got about 15 minutes before I can eat, which is perfect timing actually, because these will have cooled down. But Greg's, oh, eat your heart out. I'm literally talking super fast because actually I'm going to go break my fast. So thank you so much for joining me. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Like and subscribe and share, and also comment in the box below letting me know what you thought of them, and if you've got any more recipes, any more random recipes, let me know too. Alright, mwah. Ciao guys! Ramadan Mubarak, Ramadan Diary 101, it's a Ramadan Diary 101, Ramadan Diary 101, it's a Ramadan Diary, Ramadan Diary 101. Sisi, CCTV food. Do this again because it just makes me feel chefy. Ooh, Sisi bae. See, when you make things with love, it's, you know, powerful, baby. Right, so, 10, I got 11. Shh, don't tell him. And then what? See if this is what it's supposed to be. And, oh, I can't pick it up. Okay, so kind of grab it. Okay, yeah, messed it all up. So pop that all on again. Yum, yum, yum. It's perfect. It's perfect, really. It's perfect. Can't even deal. And I'm just gonna sprinkle. I'm like an artist. I'm like Da Vinci right now. Okay, I'm just creating. That's all I'm doing. I'm creating. Okay, that's all we're gonna do. Just, you know, yum, 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 yum. Some egg wash on there. Yep. Throw an olive on there. It's like a masterpiece, honestly. It's bloody awful. Yes, I agree. However, it won't taste that way.